In this video, I'll show you how to update Autodesk products. What I have done is that I've been down here in Windows, going to my settings, and I have added in this icon here, I have added Autodesk Access user interface. I've turned it on. This means that the icon is down here. And if I double click that, you'll see that I have an update for Inventor in this case. If there is updates with gray icons, typically they will be for updating license issues and so on. And if you have issues with your license logging in or something, just go down here, see if there is any gray icons for licensing, and just update them by pressing update. And after you have updated, try to run the product again and see if everything works. In 90% of the cases I have witnessed is that this has been enough to get licenses working again. Of course, you need to have a license added to your account. So, and to get all these updates, you of course also has to be logged in. As you can see, I am here. Thank you for watching.